Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the values of x and y given these two equations. So we are given 1 by 5x plus 3y equal to minus 1 by 5. Let's call it equation 1. And 2 by 5x minus y equal to minus 2 by 5. Let's call it equation 2. So given equations are linear equations in two variables. So we will solve them simultaneously. Solve them simultaneously using substitution method. Substitution method. So here let's take equation 2. From equation 2 we get y equal to 2 by 5x plus 2 by 5 by taking y over to this side and taking minus 2 by 5 over to this side. We get this. Now putting this value of y in equation 1. So this value of y both are having same denominator, that is y, so 5. So we can say y is equal to 2x plus 2 by 5. So let's put this value of y in equation 1. So 1 by 5x plus 3 into 2x plus 2 by 5 equal to minus 1 by 5. Now since all of them have 5 as denominator, we multiply both sides by 5. So what do we get? Yes, x plus 3 into 2x plus 2 equal to minus 1. So simplifying this, we get x plus 3 2s are 6x plus 6. Distributing this 3 over this bracket, we get this equal to minus 1. So we get 7x equal to minus 1 minus 6. So we get 7x equal to minus 7. So we get x equal to minus 1. Now putting this value of x, putting this value of x in equation 3, let's call this equation 3. In equation 3 we get y equal to 2x plus 2 by 5. So we get y equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 2 by 5. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So we get y equal to 0. Let's look at the options. First, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 0 is our answer. Let's look at the options. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 0. Answer is option